Thank you for joining us here on the JBBDK YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified each time we upload new content. Understanding the diverse landscape of jewelry niches is crucial for any aspiring jewelry designer. By identifying your unique style and target audience, you can carve out a distinct niche in the market. Whether you gravitate towards the minimalist aesthetic, the bohemian spirit, or the bold statements of statement jewelry, pinpointing your niche allows you to focus your creative energy, refine your designs, and effectively target your ideal customer. This specialization not only sets you apart from the competition, but also enables you to build a loyal customer base and establish a strong brand identity within your chosen niche. Here are 10 jewelry niches you can start as a business. 1. Minimalistic jewelry, which focuses on simple, elegant designs with clean lines and subtle accents. Think delicate chains, teeny studs, and understated pendants. Number 2, boho chic jewelry. Embrace natural materials like wood, stones, and feathers, combined with vibrant colors and unique textures. Think layered necklaces, chunky bracelets, and statement earrings, sometimes called multimedia. Number 3, personalized jewelry. Create customized pieces with names, initials, birthstones, or special dates. This adds a personal touch and makes each piece unique. Number 4, eclectic and vintage-inspired jewelry. Mix and match different styles and eras to create one-of-a-kind pieces. Think vintage-inspired findings, antique beads, and unexpected color combinations. Number 5, sustainable and eco-friendly jewelry. Use recycled materials, ethically sourced stones, and eco-friendly packaging. Appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Number 6, statement jewelry. Create bold and dramatic pieces that make a statement. Think oversized earrings, chunky necklaces, and eye-catching cuffs. Number 7, bridal jewelry. Specialize in creating wedding jewelry, including bridal sets, bridesmaids' gifts, and accessories. Number 8, men's jewelry. Focus on designing stylish and masculine pieces for men, such as bracelets, cufflinks, and rings. Number 9, children's jewelry. Create fun and playful jewelry for kids using colorful beads, whimsical charms, and durable materials. Number 10, tech-inspired jewelry. Incorporate technology into your designs, such as wearable tech accessories, jewelry with embedded sensors, or pieces that connect with smart devices. Remember to research each niche thoroughly and identify your unique selling proposition to stand out from the competition.